Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the document. Place the cursor at the start page where numbering should begin. Once there, insert a section break if numbering must differ from prior pages, because sections control independent headers and footers. Next, double-click the header or footer to open editing or use Insert Header and Footer. Then click Page Number and pick Location and Style. This creates the number placeholder. This step ensures Word knows where to apply numbering versus the rest of the document. Once the placeholder exists, set the numbering format so it reads correctly. Open Page Number Format page numbers to choose Arabic, Roman, or letters, and set Start at to 1 or any other value. This controls counting. Make sure to break linkage by turning off Link to Previous in the header and footer tools when a section should differ. Otherwise, numbers will mirror earlier sections. This gives you independent control, so front matter can use Roman numerals, while body uses Arabic ones. To finish, close header/footer editing and verify numbering flows through each section. If a page should show no number, use different first page or delete the number in that section's header after unlinking. If numbering skips or repeats, view draft and reveal formatting marks to inspect section breaks, because misplaced breaks cause errors. Once done, select the document and press F9 to update fields so numbers refresh. If issues persist, recheck section breaks and link to previous settings. Fix the broken link and update again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.